Hey, what's up guys? Today we are looking the new very cool video. Before we go to the video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and leave a comment saying I'm subscribed, and we are trying our best to personal reply to your comments, so let's go. Smart Navigation Car DVR, built-in 4GB RAM plus 32GB ROM. You can download more apps, and the device will work more smoothly. 10.26-inch ultra-wide-angle touchscreen, very clear and smooth images display as like a stream flowing on the excellent WDR. Car Air Diffuser, made of aerospace-grade aluminium alloy, matte and frosted finishing cutting process, nano-concentrated aroma chip, active purifying carbon paste. 0.98% fragrance coverage, can remove 81% of formaldehyde. The sterilization rate is as high. Four-in-one Jump Starter Air Compressor, 2000 amperes peak current, 24,000 mAh battery capacity. Support. Start your car 30 to 40 times after fully charged. It is Jump Starter, power bank, air compressor, tire pump, and car booster starting device. Electric vehicle charging station, wallbox body, LCD screen, automatic error correction, automatic reconnection, waterproof, temperature monitoring system, safe and fast charging. Charging plug, silver plating treatment, special reed structure. Car battery tester is able to effectively analyze and read important car data such as voltage, internal resistance, cold cranking amp and AH capacity, battery health and charge status. It provides accurate results. Car Air Freshener. Reshape the classic with ingenuity. Solar retro record player. Soaking wood, an essential oil for lasting fragrance. Long-lasting fragrance release of native beach. The frame of the main body is made of aluminum alloy with tough texture. Car wiper blade repair. 30-second fix. Easily repair wiper wear, aging, and stains with a single stroke. Double sanding strip for grinding evenly. Even grinding to extend the life of wiper blades. Smooth and even, wipe and clean. Car repairing tools. High quality 9 pieces of auto hose clamp, ring plier set, flexible wire cable bend type remover, oil seal screwdriver. For 4K dash camera. 4K camera, streaming media rear view, excellent night vision, reversing video, 24H parking monitor, collision sensor, front and rear dual video, loop recording, adjustable view angle, special mounting holder. LED Car Headlight, 90 degrees base design, same as halogen, no external driver or connector. Perfectly fit into your housing and factory sockets, and even in tight spaces. Ditch your dim yellow halogens, and make way for 6000K bright white. Super focused. Rotation car wash brush. Chenille cashmere has good water absorption. Aluminium rod retractable chenille cleaning mop with good detergency, easy to clean, good foaming function. 360-degree rotating dual brush head design. Better fit to the car surface. Car lantern hanging light. COB LED work light provides you super bright and crystal clear. There is a powerful magnet on the bottom. You can fix it on any iron surface. Compact, lightweight, plastic hook design, easy to carry, rugged adjustable handle. Hey, if you like this video and want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click notification bell so you don't miss new videos. Thank you.